Okay, so how are you all, bacho? Fine, everything fine? Okay, good. So I welcome to all of you on Gupta Sir Math YouTube channel, and whoever come first time, please subscribe, like, and share. And who is continue with me, thanks to them, and thanks to all of you. Okay. In previous class, we have seen on algebraic expressions some terms, right? What was that? Constant, variable, terms, factors, coefficient, and further we'll see like term and unlike term, right? So before this like term, unlike term, we'll see constant. Just once again, just this is for just revision. What are the constant? Okay. Constant in the sense the value doesn't get changed. The value doesn't get changed. That is constant, right? And constant value doesn't get changed. Like suppose if you writing here, we are taking one example, 4x square minus 3xy plus 5. So 5 is a constant. What is that? 5 is a constant. This is a constant, right? This is a constant. Okay. Another thing, that is a variable. Now what do you mean by the variable? Variable is value gets changed. It means we don't know the value. Okay, the value may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 5, minus 3, anything. So these are the variables. We don't know the value of x, we don't know the value of x, don't know the value of y. So that's why it is variables. So variable in the sense you can say A to Z is variables. A to Z is variables, right? Okay. So that way anything. Okay. And value is anything. But constant because fixed value, that is fixed. Now another terms comes terms. Okay. Now here we have two terms, 4x square minus 3xy. These are the two terms. 4x square is the another term, first term, minus 3xy is another term. And this complete is called algebraic expression. It is clear? Okay. So 4x square, this is a one term, minus 3xy, one term. Why I have written minus? Because I have to write the minus, and please do not forget to write the sign. What is the sign value? Just 3xy has got the minus sign value, 4x square has got the plus sign value. Getting my point? Very good. Now what comes? This is a 4x square. Now this just we have seen it is a term, right? Okay, done. Now factors. So now 4 is different and this is the factor. These three are factors of this 4x square. Because this is a x square, so x into x and 4 is different. 4x square. Again 3xy. What are the factors? Minus 3. Minus I have to write x and y. These are the factors. Minus 3, x and y. Factors. It is clear? It is clear? Okay. Now here, again we will see coefficient. What is this? Coefficient. Coefficient, suppose question is asked, what is the coefficient of 4? Coefficient of 4. So coefficient of 4 is x square. Because x square is the multiple of 4 or 4 is the multiple of x square. That's why 4 is the coefficient of x square, or you can say x square is the coefficient of 4. It is clear? Okay, good. Now we'll further see like terms and unlike terms. Now another topic starts from here, like term and unlike term. So you can note it down and we'll see another topic, that is a like term, unlike term. Now I'll delete this. Okay, so you can have a screenshot or you can note it down. Okay, done. I am going to delete this. So now we'll see like term and unlike term. Okay, what are the like term and what are the unlike term? Okay, with this we have seen expression, factors, term. Now like term, unlike term. Okay, suppose this is a 7x, this is a 12y. So first of all we'll get the factor. What is the factor? 7x and 12 comma y. These are the factors. That these factors must be same. That variable must be same. If variable is same, then that is the like term. If variable is not same, that is the unlike term. It is clear? So variable is different. What is that? Variable, this is a x, this is y. So this is called unlike term. What is this? Unlike term. Okay. Now what is the unlike term? Like term is, suppose here it is a 15x, here it is a minus 21x. So what will the factor? 15 comma x, here minus 21 comma x. These are the factor, right? So these variables are same. This has got x, this has got x also. So it is like term. What is that? Like term. We can write this is a like term. It is clear now? It is clear now? Okay. Okay. Now with this we have clear constant, variable, term, factors, coefficient, like term and unlike term. Now we'll see monomials, binomials and trinomials and polynomials. What are these? Why I am emphasizing on this point? Because this is the basic. If you are not clear with the basic, you cannot solve the algebraic expression chapter. And most of the child has got the issue in this chapter. So just I want to solve this issue. Be with me, okay? And sit patiently, just watch the class and practice on at your home, right? Okay, now we'll see what are that terms: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, monomial, binomial and trinomial. We'll see one by one. So monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. It is clear? These all four things will clear now. Okay. Now we are going to have some examples. That is we can take 7xy. If you are taking this 7xy, it has got single term. That's why it will be monomial. What is that? Monomial. Because it has single term. Now I am increasing one more term, 7xy minus 5y. This is a two term, so it is binomial. What is that? Binomial. You must understand this. Now trinomial. Suppose 7xy minus 5y plus 5. This is a trinomial. What is that? Trinomial. It is clear to you? It is trinomial. Again now polynomial. Suppose 4x cube minus 3x square plus 5y plus 3. It means you can say that is a term is more than 3 term. You can say more than 3 term, that will come under polynomial, right? Okay. And power is different. 3 power, 2 power, polynomial, right? Okay. So with this we have cleared monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. It is clear now? Okay. Now we'll move again further, right? What is that? Now we'll see in this chapter how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide. These are the 4 topics: addition, multiply, subtraction, divide are very, very much important. Very, very much important. This is a much important topics, right? Now we'll see one by one. That is a first topic, that is addition. How to add. Okay. So we'll go through this addition. Now delete this. Addition It's something different, right? What is this addition? Addition is like we'll have one very good example. Okay, we'll have one very good example for this addition chapter. Okay, now suppose 3x plus 11, okay, and say 3x plus 11 plus 8z and 7x minus 5. So we have taken this example for this addition part. Question is add. What is that? Question is add. This is to be added, right? How it is to be added? So we have got two methods. We'll deal it with two methods. So whatever methods you like, you will solve. No issue. Exactly. Absolutely no issue. Right? So first method we are going to see rearranging method, or you can say horizontal method. So first of all we'll see horizontal method. Horizontal method. Now what is this? Question is to be solved in one line. Horizontal method, question is to be solved horizontally. It means in one line, right? How it is going to solve? Now we'll write 3x plus 11 plus 8z. Okay? Plus 8z. Right. Now this is 8z. Now because this is add, so we'll put here plus sign and this will be inside the bracket. Again 7x minus 5 inside the bracket. Okay, inside the bracket. We'll take some another example also. So you first will take some difficult example also, but you first take this example, right? Okay. So gentlemen, before starting this, I want to ask you that what is this? Minus and minus. What is this? That you know plus. Now you will say plus and plus, that is a plus. Minus plus you can say minus, or plus and minus you can say minus. These four things is very much important for this chapter, and these four things are going to change the complete scene of this algebraic expression chapter, and this is the base that you can see, right? So this is inside the bracket and this is between the plus sign because it was to be added. Now we'll write again it outside the bracket. Just we'll remove the bracket. Now how it is going to remove the bracket? So 3x plus 11 plus 8z I have written. I have written plus 8z. Okay. Okay. I have put now again. Sign you have to multiply with the sign. Here it is a plus sign. Just try to understand this. Try to so many basic ideas will clear here. So try to understand this, how it is going to solve. Okay. Now this is a plus. Here also we have got the plus sign, plus 7x minus 5. So plus that first of all you have to multiply this sign to this sign. Now it is plus. Because plus. Again this plus, again this 7x. So 7x I have written. Again this sign will be multiplied with this first minus sign. So plus minus, where is that? Minus. So we write here minus. And again 5. It is clear now? It is clear now? Very nice. Now we'll see like terms. So this is a 3x and this is a 7x. These are the like terms. Here we have got the plus sign, plus 3x. Here we have got the plus 7x. So plus 3x plus 7x, that you know, plus. So we'll add this 7 or 3, 10x. It is clear to you? Now question arises, what will be the sign of 10x? This is a very much important because we solve it, but we don't know what sign is to be put here. So children's, it is a very much important. Listen carefully. You have heard this 3x and 7x. 3 and 7 is the 10x. Now which one is bigger? 7x is bigger. So what this 7x has got sign? Plus sign. So we'll write here. Here we'll write plus 10x. Why we'll write plus 10x? Because we have had this 3x and 7x. 7 has got the plus sign. So plus 10x. It is clear to you? It is clear to you? Plus 10x. Right, gentlemen? Now again we'll go through this 11. Now 3x part is over. This like term is over. Okay. Now we'll go for 11. This is a constant. And we'll see in this complete line where is constant and another constant. So this is a constant and this is a constant. Now we'll check that this is a plus sign, this is a minus sign, so that you know plus minus is a minus. So it means that indicates you have to subtract this. You have to subtract this. So 11 minus 5, that is a 6. Now you will say that what will be a sign? Because 11 is bigger, so we'll put here plus sign. It is clear now, gentlemen? It is clear now? Okay. Another term we'll move one by one. So now it is at z, there is no another like terms with z. So we'll write here at z. No issue. So gentlemen, this is the right answer for this question and horizontal method. Right? Okay. So you can note it down and we'll see further another method, that is a column method. Okay. So you can note it down. Now we'll see column method. Sure. Come on. Now with this column method, how to solve? Okay. Column method. Okay. Column method in the sense you have to write this one first. 3x plus 11 plus 8z I have written as it is, or this has been given to you. Okay. Now we have to write 7x minus 5 below this. So first of all, this 7x we have, so I have to see where is the like terms. So there is 3x and this is 7x, these are the like terms. So we'll write here just below 3x. And what is the sign of this 7x? We'll write here plus. There is no sign in plus sign. Here also it has got plus sign because there is no sign. It means plus sign. That is a positive. Now another term, that is a minus 5. Minus 5. 5 is the very good. It is a constant. So we'll write it below the constant and minus 5. Another term we have got at z. There is no like term with z. So we are not going to write anything below this. Finish. Now we'll add this. Start from this end. Don't think that you are simply in additional method you are adding from this end. No. We'll start from this end. There is no issue because this is a addition of the algebraic expression. This is addition of the algebraic expression. So gentlemen, we will start from here. There is no issue. So now plus. We'll write here plus. 3 or 7x, that is a 10x. Again, this is a plus minus. So 11, 5 minus, that is a 6. Sign will, because 11 is bigger, so we are putting the plus sign. And here it is nothing, so we write the same digit plus 8z. How much this is easy? How much this is easy? Can you measure it how much this is easy? This is a very much easy. This is a very much easy. Just go through this. You can note it down. If you are not clear with this or any doubt, you can put it in the comment box or you can ask at any time. Okay, and I would be happy to reply on your comment box. Okay, so please you can note it down. We have taken a very good example for this addition part. Now another example, we'll take one more example, that is we'll use some very different questions, right? We'll use some very different questions. Okay, so now we are going to solve a very some typical questions that will add it, right? Okay, so you can note it down. And another question we'll see and there you'll have more practice, and that you need practice it, you do it at your home, right? Okay, come on. So now column method, okay, no issue, we'll go through the column method also. We'll go through the column method, no issue. You have liked it, it's very good, no issue. So addition, question is add. What is to be add? Now question is add 2y square plus 3yz. So this question is 2y square plus 3yz. Okay. Now another comma minus y square, comma. This is very good question, gentlemen. Minus y square, very good question. Just look into this. Minus yz, you will have a very good practice also. Minus yz and minus z square and minus z square. Okay. Another term that we have yz plus 2z square. So another term we have yz plus 2z square. This three term we have to add first, second and third. All three terms, gentlemen, are to be added. Now, okay, so how can you solve with this column method? This is going to be very interesting. Very much interesting part of this. This is going to be very much interesting. Okay, so now again we'll arrange in column method. How to? First of all, we'll write this first term, that is a 2y square plus 3yz. Gentlemen, just watch this very carefully and try to understand this carefully. This much solution starts from here. Solution starts from here. Okay, just watch carefully. 2y square plus 3yz. This is your first term. Gentlemen, now the second term we are going to note. So this is now we have to write again. You are just take care of it. Always you are writing with your like term, right? Search the like term here. So it is a y square. So we'll see here. Here it is y square. So again this term will be written below this. So minus y square. Gentlemen, just see it, minus y square. Again this is a yz. It has got also yz. So here we'll write minus yz. Gentlemen, and this is a minus z square. There is no like term like z square. So we just will separate it and we'll write here z square. Is there any issue? Is there any issue? No issue. Absolutely no issue. Just look at it and you must write how to arrange this. If you know how to arrange this in column method, you can solve anything. Anything means anything. Okay. Now come on. Now the third one is yz. Again, where is yz? Here is yz. What is the sign? If there is no sign, understand plus sign. So we'll write here plus yz. I am clear to you. Now again this is a plus 2z square. So we'll write here we have got z square. So gentlemen, here we'll write the 2z square. Try to understand the arrangement of this question. Try to understand the arrangement of this question. So again we'll add. We are going to add this. Okay. We are going to add this. Now gentlemen, just see, start from here. So this is a plus sign, plus minus, minus that you know better than me. There's plus minus minus. So now 2y square, it means I have to subtract this y square. So 2y square minus y square. So we are left with y square. We are left with y square. Sign will be plus because 2 is greater than this y square. I am clear to you? Okay, gentlemen, try to understand this. This is a very good question. This is a very good question. Now here we have got three terms. So first of all we'll see. So how can we solve this? Now you have to like term add this 3yz and yz. It will be 4yz and minus yz. So 3yz. But you can do one thing. What is that? This is a plus yz. This is a minus yz. That you know plus minus minus. So you have to subtract in this yz minus yz. it is a 0, cancel. So we don't write anything in algebra, so it is a cancel. Okay, now what is left? That is a plus 3yz. So we'll write, gentlemen, plus 3yz. Right? Write anything, because nothing is below of this 3yz. So we have written 3yz. Okay, now come to this point, plus minus minus, but don't write the sign minus. I have told you which digit is bigger, that has their sign is valuable, right? Okay, so now 2z square minus z square, we are going to write z square. To which one is bigger? 2 is bigger, so write here plus sign. Gentlemen, this is your correct answer. This is your correct answer. Gentlemen, we'll see in addition part some more question. We'll see in addition parts, because this algebra chapter is impacting the so many childrens, right? So just I want to put some more effort in this chapter, so that basic criteria, basic methods will be cleared. So this is a algebraic expression addition part. Okay, and the next class we'll see more topics, more discussion on this algebraic expression part. And if you want the notification in advance, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any issue, you can comment me, you can write in comment without any hesitation. Okay, again I request, subscribe, like and share. This motivates me. Thank you very much. Thank you.